Hi, Steve here. Thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels channel. This video covers our 6th major RV trip since we picked up our Panoramic RV in September 2022. It's part 14 of a 20-part series. Today we're going on a White House tour and walking along the National Mall. Janet does pretty much all of the planning for our trips. She contacted our U.S. representative months ago to request White House and U.S. Capitol tours. So now we have the necessary paperwork to go through several levels of security before we can start our self-guided tour of the White House. We walked the National Mall from the Washington Monument to the Lincoln Memorial and back to the U.S. Capitol. The U.S. Capitol and the Library of Congress will be the subjects of the next video.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. There he is, right there, Edmund Dale.
End of the list map. So there would be a circular timeline. So the list begins here, the panels read like pages in a book, and then they jump. The midpoint is there, and then it resumes there and ends on the bottom line above the date 1975.
I'll put links to the other videos in this series in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you did, and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.